Hello. We're By Miles, a fairer kind of fully comprehensive car insurance that you pay by the mile. Pay by the mile, we hear you ask. How does that work? Well, just like any other car insurance policy, you tell us a few things about you and your car, including how far you think you'll drive. Then, we serve up a quote for the miles you've estimated. Piece of cake. Once you've paid, you're covered for the year. A slice of that payment goes towards covering your car while it's parked. The rest covers the miles you drive, from the short trips to the longer ones. If you need more miles, you can simply top up at any time. But whenever you're not driving, you're not spending any of the miles you paid for at the start of the year. Any miles you have left at the end of your policy get refunded straight back to you. Research shows that many people guess their mileage and don't actually drive as far as they think. If you're one of them, you could be in for some tasty savings. You're in control. The less you drive, the bigger the refund. So, how do we know how far you drive? We send you a clever little miles tracker that plugs into your dashboard so easily you can do it yourself. It simply counts the miles you drive and sends the number back to us. Then our handy app keeps count for you, so you can see how many prepaid miles you have left. Oh, and in case you're wondering, your price is based only on how far you drive, not how you drive. We're not Big Brother, but we are the first company in the UK to offer insurance like this, so you might not have heard of us. If not, don't worry. We launched back in 2018 and we're underwritten by an experienced panel of insurers, rated pretty high on Trustpilot, and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. There's lots of other stuff we could tell you about, like how the Buy Miles app can help track your car if it's stolen, that you get to make 3 self-serve policy changes each year with no admin fee, or how we won Car Insurance Provider of the Year 3 times in a row, as well as awards for claims handling and customer service. But mostly, our customers just like to see if our fairer, more flexible policies could save them money. Remember, there's no need to get your estimated miles exactly right. If you need more miles, you can always buy more. But the less you drive, the bigger your refund will be.